In this lesson, we'll create a message list using components. Drag a rectangle onto the canvas to create the background for a list item. Then add an image widget for the avatar. A heading for the name, and a paragraph for the message. Adjust the styles of these elements. Drag in a label for the timestamp and an ellipse to create a notification dot for new messages. Adjusting its style as well. Group all these elements into a component. Enter the component. And in the Style pane, add a component view. Create a new child view named noNoticeDot and another one named noTime. Switch to the noNoticeDot view and remove the notification dot. Then go to the noTime view and delete the timestamp. Return to the canvas. In the Interactions pane, add an avatar to the component and enter a name. Duplicate the item, and in the new item, add a different avatar and name. Change the component view to noNoticeDot for this duplicated item. Duplicate the item again, add a new avatar and name, and set the component view to noTime. Select the first item and add a mouse enter interaction. Choose Apply Style and select the background of the first item, changing it to light yellow. Then add a mouse exit interaction to revert the background to white. Set up the same interactions for the second and third items. Preview the prototype. When hovering over an item, the background turns yellow. When the mouse leaves, the background returns to white.